What's going on, everybody? My name is Carson, and thanks for joining us for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about the Microsoft Teams Games app. So what's really cool about the Games app is our world has really shifted to a more accepting nature towards virtual working. This is a great opportunity to stay connected. I know some of us that are working virtually now are really not seeing as many opportunities to connect because we're not sharing that same physical space. So here, I'll show you how to do it. So one thing I can show you with this is if you go into the three dots here and you press games, this won't show up. So this is not the right app that you need to. You actually need to be in a conversation with someone in an actual meeting. So we'll go ahead and go to our calendar here. And we'll click it. Just press Games app. And then you need to invite someone. So if you're just having a meeting on your own, there will be no virtual chat. So you're gonna have to invite someone to the meeting in order for this Games app to work. So go ahead and add Mallory. Okay, so we got that going now. So now we can press join. And then you can press join once again. Okay. So the way that you can get this to work here is if you go full screen this and we go into apps right here, we can type in games. Now this is the option you want, the games for work. So go ahead and press that. Alright, so we have our four games here. We have the classic solitaire. We have Wordament, which is pretty much like a figure out the best word from the options presented to you. We have some icebreakers, which is a great option to kind of get to learn who you're working with. And we have Minesweeper as well. So something that we can note here is we have a people count, so how many people can actually play the game. This is a time count, so for the icebreakers, the only thing that's different is it's 5 to 60 minutes to play the entire game. So once we got that, we can go ahead and press save. And then the games for work shows up here on the right. So we can pick whatever. We'll go ahead and go into icebreakers here. We have a would you rather, we have hot takes, never have I ever, or we have a random. So I'll just go ahead and click around a little bit just so you guys can get the idea of what the Games app all has for features. So just some cool options like this, just to, I guess, really to be able to get to learn everyone's personality within the group that you're working at. So here's another example here. Made a wish on a shooting star. Did it. Then if I go to Minesweeper here, kind of show you around what that looks like. Now, one thing I should show you here, so there's two games going on at once. And if you're the host, you can choose to end the previous game. So we'll go ahead and go to the three dots here, press end game. End game. And then now everyone will have the option to only play in Minesweeper. So this is a little bit about what Minesweeper looks like. You just kind of click around, and as you hit those bombs, you lose your life. So you have 3 lives there. I just lost 1. I have 2 left. Pretty self-explanatory. And then I'll show you finally the Wordament one. So go ahead and end that game. We'll just play this game just for a second here, just so you guys can get the idea. So here's an example of what Wordament would look like when you're actually playing it. So right here, you're pretty much just trying to find the words that, that are actually a word. So here we go, we got 1. So it's pretty self-explanatory of what exactly is going on. And once you're done with that, you can simply just press leave. But it's a great opportunity to really connect with your workforce, and especially for those virtual people that maybe feel like they're not getting opportunities to really connect within the workplace.
Do us a huge favor. If you're enjoying our Sundog Tech Tip Tuesdays, give us a like and then hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, we'll see you again next time.